Hello. You can't see me, but I'm here. And I would like to address the issue at haters are going to hate on Facebook. Haters is going to hate on Facebook.
Well, why does it say no signal?
Because it's on the wrong channel.
What channel?
My TV's on the wrong channel. Let me fix it.
Here.
Come with me, Facebook. Come with me. Here's my TV. Can you fix it, Facebook?
Can you fix the problem?
Can you fix it? Fix it, bitch.
When I get depressed, this is what happens. I eat up a bunch of...
This is what happens when I'm depressed, Facebook. I eat and eat and eat and eat and eat. And you know what?
I pull up my hair.
And I pull out my hair. Let's see. Come on now, damn it. Damn it, TV. How'd you get on 7? Damn you.
When you jumped out the bed, everything.
I know, right? Damn. I need a technician. Call it cable company. What's wrong with the cable? We don't live without cable here.
Are you Time Warner?
Time Warner or Insight? Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't know what I'm doing. Turn the bitch off. That's how we fix shit here.
I'm trying to hear the
We
music.
cut it off. But let me get back to my regular scheduled meeting at hand. We about to rap and make some beats with our hands.
With no hands. I've been putting these niggas on Fort Knox.
Whoop,
I'm about to throw a bomb on them.
It's about to go down. It's about to go down.
It's about to go down.
Can somebody fix that? Can you see it? It says no program. Weak signal.
Weak signals.
Like a weak nigga.
A weak signal, weak niggas. They always want ass.
And don't want to give no cash.
But I'm a pass.
So we gonna pass.
And if they don't, they get the gas.
They can get that gas.
Mask.
They can get that heat.
We don't want to hear heat no more today.
Damn. I'm just fucking up. I gotta turn the light on. Turn the light on. Oh, here I am to save the day.
I'm mad at niggas right about now.
He don't want no problem. He don't want no problem.
Because Eric still knows. You know what? That's how he knows. He
yeah.
knows I still ain't got a nigga. You know why? Because he just going to tell me he going to come down here on the 20th. So if I would have said no, you can't. You wouldn't know I had a man.
Say Ratchet. Girl, I'm acting a damn fool.
Baby daddy.
This thing is really acting up.
You know he my baby daddy.
Hey, Ratchet.